Hello all of my awesome friends and fans, and welcome back. So today is a super exciting and really special day because, well, you've probably already read it in the title, but I'm gonna say it anyway. It's my birthday! Yay! Okay, so I know right now this just looks like a big mess in some crazy kawaii girl's room, but I assure you it is not. It is actually my super awesome, super pastel birthday haul from Hot Topic. Also, it was my very first time ever shopping at Hot Topic. I know I live under a rock, but I seriously had no idea that we had Hot Topic in Canada. Can you tell I hate malls? Anyway, you guys, enough blabbering. Drop a like, make sure you're subscribed, and let's jump into this super awesome pastel haul. Okay, so we are going to start off with the accessories and then move into the clothes. So I think we will start off with the Pusheen because everyone loves a little Pusheen in their lives. So I was really lucky to get the very last Pusheen mini backpack. I was so happy that they had it in mint. Like I said, it was the last one in the store. I had actually already seen these online. I think they had them, I think Japan LA had them. They might still have them. Everything here is from Hot Topic though. It is so cute. So like I was saying, I had seen this guy online, but I did not order it because I just wasn't sure exactly like how big it was going to be. It was just one of those items that online I just wasn't sure. However, in person, I can tell you guys it is awesome for a mini backpack. It is like the perfect size, definitely not too small. And then if you look at the back, look, it has this adorable little tail and the stripes and pastels. You guys, honestly, they do not always come across well on camera, but let me tell you, this does not look gray at all. It is like a beautiful, bright mint. I don't know exactly where I could put it. The camera is not doing it justice. Let me tell you, you guys, this purse bag is adorable. Next thing that I'm going to show you guys are these totally adorable, totally perfect mint track pants. Oh my gosh, honestly, I think I'm going to get a second pair because I totally don't want to ruin these, you guys, and I am like afraid to wear them, but I love track pants, I love mint, and oh my gosh, do I love pastel track pants. So you guys, these were $38 Canadian. They only had 2 pairs left, an extra small and a large, so I did get the large. Once again, pastels not really doing justice on the camera, but you guys, these are so adorable. When I called in to ask if they had them, they actually said no because the girl thought that these were pajamas, but they are indeed track pants, joggers, whatever you would like to call them, and they are so freaking adorable. So I did actually look online before I went into the store, and I had like, I don't know, $400 worth of product in my cart. Luckily, I did not find it all. Yeah, but anyway, one of the things that I did find, which was the last one in the store again, and I was so happy, was this freaking awesome holographic hat. I love it so much, and this style of hat looks so cute on me, you guys, and not all hats do look good on me, but this style definitely does. I love it so much. My husband like laughed at it and thinks it's very silly and said it looks like some kind of like raver club hat, but I don't care. It is holographic. It is a freaking hat. It is so cute, and I love it. One of the other reasons that I was so excited to find out that we had a Hot Topic in Canada, and not only in Canada, but right near my house, was because of the Care Bear stuff. And some of the Care Bear stuff was no longer available online. So I was so happy to get this little guy right here. Not only that, I actually got him for free because the clearance items were buy one, get 2 free. So I got this little guy for free. Honestly, I'm not sure what Care Bear this is, possibly Music Bear or something, I don't know, but he's mint and he is so cute, or maybe it's a she because she's got this little bow and I just love her so much. The fluffiness of her really reminds me of like Pusheen's brother Stormy, so cute. I also got these really freaking awesome Care Bear leggings. I can't remember if these ones were clearance, I don't think they were, but for sure this little guy was over here. Seriously, honestly just too adorable, you guys. Oh my goodness. Do you see the little mint bear and the little kawaii face and that one right here? So the girl in the store was telling me that Care Bears actually did a collaboration with Hot Topic last year. So I guess this was some of the stuff that they had left over, and I was so happy that I was able to find these. So I also found this adorable little grumpy bear hat. I love it so much. It is baby blue, one of my all-time favorite colors. I actually shouldn't say I found it. It was one of the girls that worked there who found it. It was crazy. They were like running around in the back in the store just looking for any and every pastel item that they could to sell me, and I pretty much bought them all. But anyway, yeah, here is the grumpy bear hat. He is so cute, and I did actually get him for free as well because he was clearanced, and it was buy one get two. They had this area near the front of the store that was just kind of like bins full of like all different stuff. Some of it was clearance, some of it wasn't, and I found this adorable little Care Bear container. This was like pretty much the only pastel Care Bear kawaii item mixed in, jumbled in with all this other stuff, so I'm not really sure what it was doing there, but I pretty much bought it just for the tin. It is so adorable. It actually comes with 4 matte liquid lipsticks inside. As you guys can see, this is regular price, $16.90 Canadian, but I did get it for free. I will open it up and show you guys the lipsticks. Just let me get my other hand. Here are the 4 colors that you get inside the tin, and I really love the packaging of them with these holographic stars. It looks like they are all actually named after Care Bears. So we've got one called Cheer Bear, Tender Heart Bear, Share Bear, and Grumpy Bear. So I can already tell that there are 2 in here that I will never wear, and they're probably the 2 that most of you would wear. But I am going to be keeping this blue one here, and definitely I'll be keeping Cheer Bear as well, and probably sending these 2 away in Happy Mail or to some of my YouTuber friends. So I actually have a couple more Care Bear items to share with you guys. Yeah, I know, but I could not resist this adorable little Grumpy Bear necklace. I know, you guys, I make jewelry, so I usually don't buy jewelry because I can pretty much make anything myself, but I could not resist this, you guys. It is so precious. Oh my goodness, it is actually 2 necklaces, so you get one with this adorable Grumpy Bear charm, or if you would like to call it a pendant, and then this one up here with the little cloud. Oh my gosh, I love it. And that is his little, what did they call them? Oh my gosh, I can't remember what they called them, but it is his little sign on his belly. It is so cute. It was so hard for me to choose, you guys. They also had a mint one and a pink one, and to be truthful, I wanted them all. Okay, so remember I was telling you guys that they were like running around basically trying to find me every pastel or kawaii item that they had in the store. Oh my gosh, you guys, this next item, I can't even, it is just the most fairy cake, the most kawaii. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Here it is, you guys. It is a little tiny Care Bear purse, and you would think that this purse was meant for a little girl, but no, you guys, it has a very long chain strap, and I absolutely love how they mixed, like, you know, the punky chain with the soft Care Bear. Oh my gosh, it is like the best thing ever. I am like obsessed with it. Honestly, I don't even think I could fit my phone in it, but I absolutely freaking adore it. Okay, so we've got only 2 more accessory items, and then we can move into the clothes. Now, I'm going to admit to you guys, I am not a huge fan of tattoo chokers. Now, it's not because I don't like how they look, because I do like how they look. It's just that I don't want to look like everyone else. You know, that's why I dress the way I do, because I don't want to look like everyone else. So just the fact that everyone else is wearing tattoo chokers, I'm like, no. But when I started seeing the pastel ones, you know, they kind of started growing on me. And then I found these. So these aren't pastel chokers, or sorry, tattoo chokers. They are tattoo bracelets, and they are pastel. And you guys know you are always seeing my hands, my lovely hands in the video. Will you see my face one day? I don't know. But anyway, you guys, so here they are. They are tattoo bracelets. And I was like, okay, so I don't have to do the tattoo choker, but I can do the tattoo bracelets. And they are pastel and they are cute. And okay, fine, they're trendy and I bought them. Whatever, sue me. Anyway, I also got these really adorable little, I don't know, I call them cat cuffs. When I said cuffs to my husband, he thought that I meant that I bought handcuffs. Fluffy handcuffs, and he was like, are you gonna show them in your video? I was like, baby, oh my gosh, but yes, they are not handcuffs. Oh my gosh, TMI. Okay, but yeah, they are just these cute little cuffs, and I'm gonna admit I probably won't wear them that often. They're not really like my, you know, everyday style or anything, but they're just something that I kind of couldn't say no to. I thought they were very unique, and I don't know, maybe I'll find a use for them one day. But other than that, I just kind of needed them in my life, and I don't really know why. Okay, on to the clothing items. Now, usually I do show my clothing hauls on my bed, but I'm going to admit it, I'm too lazy to make my bed. Anyway, it's my birthday, I'm allowed. Okay, so the first clothing item I have to share with you guys is these really adorable Ariel track pants. I'm gonna be honest with you, I would have bought them even if they weren't Disney. I didn't particularly pick them out because they were The Little Mermaid, even though that is definitely one of my favorite Disney movies of all time. I just really adored the fact that they were pastel track pants, so I bought them. I also got this pink pair over here, and these are both full length. They are not cropped or 3/4 length or anything like that. And so these ones are from the Lilo and Stitch movie, which I have actually never seen in my life. I had absolutely no idea what Ohana means, and I still don't. But now I'm going to be wearing the pants. But once again, I only bought them because they were pastel, and oh my god, pastel pink track pants. Who could say no? I also got this black t-shirt that, as you can see, matches perfectly with the lilac pants and with the pink ones. So it just has this like pastel galaxy print going on. If you can see right there, it's actually got like silver and gold glitter, which is really, really pretty. And then it says on it, I will stop being sarcastic when you stop being stupid. And I am like one of the most sarcastic people in the world. So this shirt is perfect for me. Shirt I've hung up just so you guys can see it better, and it is actually one of the things that I had picked out online. Don't ask me how it got so wrinkled, but anyway, I did get an extra large only because I wanted it to cover my butt. The medium actually fit me, the large fit, but neither of them covered my butt the way I wanted to. I know this way it will be long in the front, but that's okay. I can just wear a little black tank top or, you know, camisole underneath it. So anyway, it is just this like lavender color, and it is so pretty. And then it has like a black skull, so I think it will look so awesome with black leggings, lavender socks. Hey, and I just got some lavender socks now that I remember. Anyway, it has some cute, this like little ties on the shoulders, which actually look so adorable, and this like black netting in the back. I'm just like all around pretty obsessed with this shirt, and I think I might wear it tonight to go to the movies for my birthday. Next item is one that some of you may have seen before, and that I can admit I have been coveting for at least 2 or 3 months now. This is the totally awesome Pastel Goth Meow shirt. I absolutely love it. A few of my YouTuber friends have it, and like I said, I didn't know we had Hot Topic in Canada, but I was actually able to get this on clearance as well, so this sweater was totally free. Let us check. Is the tag still on? Regular price in Canada was $47. They had it either sale or clearance for $35, and I got it for free. Next, I'm going to show you guys the item that I bought to get this sweater and a couple of the other items for free, which is like my main, most exciting item that I did not even know I was going to find, and that now I won't be able to wear till next winter, but that's okay, because I still love it. We have reached the end. How many of you stuck around to see it? Comment below and let me know. But anyway, if you did stick around, then you are so awesome, and you get to see my awesome pastel pink winter winter jacket, and you guys do not understand how happy I am to find this. So I have actually been looking for a pastel pink winter jacket for 4 years. Yes, that is 4 years now. I have bought salmon pink jackets. I have bought hot pink jackets. I have never been able to find a baby pink pastel winter jacket. I am so excited. Not only that, you guys, but it has freaking pink fur on the hood. And if you look inside, oh my goodness, oh yes, ladies, it is covered with unicorns, and they are so cute. They're like the little girl unicorns. Oh my goodness, it is literally, honestly, like a 4-year-old's or 8-year-old's jacket, only made in adult size, which is basically my dream jacket. I am so in love. So I paid $41 for this. It was a regular $58. However, because I bought this, I did get the sweater and the $26 purse for free. Awesome deal, if you ask me. Okay, so that was it for my Hot Topic birthday haul. I hope you guys totally enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, I have a giveaway going on my channel right now, so do make sure that you subscribe, that you hop over to my channel, check out the giveaway. I will leave the link in the description. I will also leave the link to my shop as well, because if you didn't already know, I do have an awesome Kawaii shop where I make and sell totally awesome pastel jewelry. I actually have a huge shop update coming up too. I will also have more birthday hauls coming at you guys, so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Miss Eddie Blue.